Hello viewers, welcome to the best purchase guide on YouTube. We all know that it's difficult to find the best product according to our budget. To make your purchase decision easier and to save your time, in this video our expert team picked only the finest items for you based on features, manufacturer's reputation, price and actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Opinel stainless steel folding knives. The Opinel No. 8 is an affordable, utilitarian knife that was originally designed for farmers and railroad workers over 130 years ago. It's the lightest knife we tested, so it's extremely portable and well suited for on-the-go activities like hiking, foraging, picnics, and working in the garden. The No. 8's carbon steel blade isn't as sharp as those on some modern knives, but it's really tough for how thin it is and it's excellent for slicing meats, cheeses, and produce. The No. 8 of May takes slightly longer to open and lock, but it's a beautiful knife at an incredible value that feels like a connection to a simpler time. Our second best pocket knives is CRKT Squid Folding Pocket Knife. The CRKT Squid is the bulldog of pocket knives. It's extremely tough for such a little guy and has a short, stout blade made with high quality steel. The Squid may feel a bit small in hand for some, but we haven't come across any jobs that it couldn't tackle. It's an excellent box cutter and rips through tough materials like butter. The Squid's small size also means it stays out of the way of keys and other objects in your pocket. If you're looking for a high quality, yet affordable knife and don't need a long blade, the Squid is very well made and is a joy to use. Let's watch more.
I'm Lucas Burnley and I designed the Squid for CRKT. The first factory knife I ever bought, an Ed Halligan Stiff Kiss. I was probably 15 years old and I still have the knife and I love it and it's beat up and nasty and I cracked the sheath. But from that point on, CRKT always stood out in my mind as a brand that basically put out a quality product at like a really affordable price. And one of the nice things is because of the makers that you guys work with, it takes a design that's super high in demand and makes it available to everybody. That's the draw. Like I couldn't get, a Halligan knife, but I could get his design in a CRKT knife. So when I had the opportunity to start designing with CRKT, it was huge. I mean, it was like playing for the big leagues. It's a family that I've been a part of for a long time. The Squid has been one of my custom models for about 5 years now. The whole concept behind this knife was that of a compact pistol. I wanted to be able to do a really functional tool, a fully featured tactical knife, just scaled down. The primary things that I was really trying to keep were a strong blade and a good grip. I wanted it to be easy to carry and more importantly, legal to carry in a lot of jurisdictions. So the overall design is really non-threatening, which is great. So you want to be able to have it with you. The blade's just over 2 1/4 inches long. The locking mechanism on the Squid is a frame lock, which is great, super robust, super simple. We did a deep carry pocket clip, makes it super easy to carry, rides really low in the pocket. External lanyard mount. I love the way they translated this detail. Hollow ground spear point blade, really strong in the tip, false edge, jimping on the spine. And then the next thing I wanted a handle that you were able to really get a good grip on. Even though the overall knife is about 5 1/4 inches, you don't feel like you're working with something delicate. Just your perfect everyday, compact, hard use knife. No question mark. Ah! All right. So can we start? You're filming now, right? Okay. Okay. Restart that one.
Third choice in our list is Gerber Paraframe 2 Folding Pocket Knife. The Gerber Paraframe 2 looks cool and is easy to clean due to its open all-steel frame, but it's not a knife you buy to admire or collect. It's an affordable tool you can put to hard use without having to worry about messing it up, which can be a real asset while camping or on the job. The Paraframe has a sturdy barebones design, and it's really slim for a knife with such a thick blade. The Paraframe Mini is significantly lighter, and is a good budget option for times when weight savings is important. The Paraframe stands out for its budget-friendly price, simplicity, and durability. Number 4 in our side is Kershaw Blur Pocket Knife. The Kershaw Blur is a big, sturdy pocket knife with a wide blade that's excellent for carving and cutting with minimal effort. The handle is comfortable and has unique rubberized inserts for outstanding grip. We love the smooth action on the Blur too. It's easy to operate with a single hand and quick to put away when you're done. Because it's so strong and easy to handle, the Blur is a great choice for anyone who needs a large blade they can count on for years of daily use. Last in our top 5 best pocket knives list is SOG Twitch 2 Folding Knife. If you want an inconspicuous pocket knife that's sharp, fast to deploy, and comfortable to carry, the SOG Twitch 2 might be your jam. It's very small and compact, so you can barely feel it in your pocket. The Twitch has assisted open, so it's fun to unfold, and it works well when you need to use your blade frequently. Our one gripe is that the lockback locking mechanism takes 2 hands and requires a change of grip. That said, the Twitch is a high-quality knife for the price and an excellent choice for anyone who needs a small knife for everyday carry. For details, let's watch more. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.